Kamusta kapatid? It's Grit J, sharing my journey one day at a time. And today is Tuesday, June 2nd, 2026, and our run goal is 6 kilometers, 2 kilometer easy, 2 kilometer hard, 2 kilometer easy. So let's go to the site. Okay, at one point, gusto kong i-record yung form ko ng pagtakbo. Record ko muna, ha? So, back. Front. Yan. Hindi ko alam kung okay ba yung strides. Laban lang. Okay, so I think isa to sa pinaka nakakahiyang gagawin ko yung tatakbo ako dito sa Azuela nang may hawak na camera. Influencer yarn. Unang-una, nakakahiya. Pangalawa, hindi ko alam kung anong itsura ng takbo ko mamaya kasi may hawak akong camera. So ngayon, maglalakad muna tayo papunta sa restroom na ihina ako. Ang plano ko sanang gawin, every kilometer mag-check up ako dito. Pero hindi ko sure kung paano mangyayari kasi tatakbo nga ako, di ba? Anyway, bahala na. Sana okay lang ako. Hindi ko alam kung paano ako tatakbo ng maayos nang may hawak ng camera. Hindi naman ako mag-explain ng kung ano-ano kasi I'm gonna be focusing on run and run. I'm starting early sa bandang hapon kasi medyo marami ng tao na kaya. So, kailangan kong tiisin to. Sobrang init, men. Sobrang init. Okay, so start na tayo. Sheesh. Okay, first kilometer. Easy lang ito. Yung breathing ko is 2 steps inhale, 3 steps exhale. Nag-start ako. Mainit kanina. Ngayon parang uulan. Problema, I have this camera. So, bahala na. I'll see you in kilometer 2. Okay, almost kilometer 2. Pagdating mo ng second, bubulusok na ako ng hard run. So, I'll be focusing. Hindi ko alam kung makapag-update ako ng third and maybe fourth kilometer. Pero, subukan ko pa rin. So, easy itong first 2 kilometers. And later, mag-hard tayo. I'll see you in kilometer 3. Bulusok na ako. Kilometer 3. Yan yung breathing. It's hard, pero manageable for some reason. 1 more kilometer. I'll see you guys later. Okay. Last 2 kilometers. Easy. I kind of miscalculated kasi, well, boy pa naman ako. Pero sobrang hirap ang ginawa ko. And I almost gave up the last kilometer for the hard. So, going back tayo to easy. I'm gonna make sure that it's gonna be easy. I'll see you on 5th lap. Okay, so last lap. Nakabalik na tayo sa easy pace. And from here, easy strides na lang ito hanggang matapos. Balik na rin yung breathing ko sa easy. However, hindi pa rin bumabalik yung ating heart rate. It's still in 165. Although, mabagal na yung run ko since 5th lap. So last lap, and then we're gonna cool down. Fortunately, hindi umulan. That's a very, very nice sign. Sana makala-cool down, lakad pa tayo. And then we'll talk about the results. Okay, so we're finally done. Nakaraos tayo. Sakto, 6 kilometers. Pero I'll see you in cool down. Cool down. Paulan na. Pero ito na yung resulta. Di ko na stop. Oh my God, di ko na stop. Okay, so nababasa na yung camera. We'll wrap it up in the car. Azuela Cove. Azuela High Street. So yun, tuluyan ng umulan. Umulan na naman talaga. Okay, update. Na-edit natin yun sa Garmin. Ang biggest regret ko today is hindi ko siya na-stop at 6 kilometers. Buti na-edit siya. So, eto na yung ating final result. Bam! So there you go, 6 kilometers distance, heart rate 160, average 55.43, total time 917 km, and 434 total calories. Tingnan naman natin yung laps. Ayan nga, first 2 kilometers, madali. Last 3, I made a huge mistake. Nademonyo nga ako dun sa data ng mga kaibigan ko. So I thought I could emulate. Pero I was strictly told na wag akong lalagpas ng 170. Fortunately, walang masakit sa paa natin sa ngayon. Hopefully, tomorrow wala pa. Anyway, last 2 laps is easy. Balik tayo sa easy territory. Although, ang pakiramdam ko sa last ko, ang bagal ko na dahil pagod na ako dito. Tomorrow, June 3rd, Wednesday, another program. And sana makita-kita tayo ulit. I guess that's it for today. Maraming salamat for watching. Have an amazing rest of your day. See you guys on the next one.